speaking along with First Officer Paul, we'd like to welcome you aboard American Eagle Flight 3161 with service to Knoxville. Our flight time today is showing 1 hour and 35 minutes. Wheels up to wheels down. We'll be cruising at 37,000 feet. Probably a bumper 2 on the climb out here at Dallas. Once we get in route, it should smooth out for us a bit. Right now in Knoxville, the winds are to the southwest about 5 miles an hour. Mostly clear skies, currently about 93 degrees Fahrenheit. Two wonderful flight attendants working in the back with you today. You have Cynthia and Anna. They're here primarily for your safety. In a few moments, they'll be going through a very important briefing, and we ask you please give the guide our attention as they go through their announcements. We'll be closing up and pushing back in a few minutes. I invite you to sit back, relax, enjoy the 1 hour, 35 minute flight to Knoxville. Welcome aboard.
Boarding doors now closed. Please put away laptop computers. Small handheld electronic devices may be used in airplane mode. We appreciate your cooperation. Flight attendants, secure the cabin for departure.
Good evening. My name is Anna, and I'll be assisting you in the cabin today along with Cynthia. On behalf of the entire crew, we'd like to welcome you aboard. Your safety is important to us. Please pause for a moment and direct your attention to the front of the aircraft. Luggage and personal articles should be stowed either overhead or underneath the seat in front of you. To prepare for departure, close your tray table, place your seat in the upright position, and lower your headrest. If you haven't already fastened your seatbelt, insert the metal fitting into the buckle and pull the straps tight across your hips. To open the seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle. Keep your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on, and just in case there's turbulence, keep it on whenever you are in your seat. U.S. law requires compliance with lighted and posted signs and crew instructions. All flights are non-smoking. This includes e-cigarettes and vaping. It is against the law to tamper with, disable, destroy laboratory smoke detectors, and drink personal alcohol on board. That safety card in your seat pocket explains the safety features of this airplane, including the location and operation of exits and flotation devices. This airplane has 2 exit doors at the front of the aircraft, and overwing exits are located near the center of the cabin. All exits are clearly marked with signs and opening instructions. If needed, exit path lighting in the aisle will illuminate near the floor to guide you to an exit indicated by signs and lights. Keep in mind the closest exit may be behind you. In the event of an emergency, leave all belongings and proceed to the closest usable exit. If needed, oxygen mask will drop from an overhead compartment. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and put the elastic band over your head. Pull the straps to tighten and breathe normally. Put on your mask before helping others. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Oxygen masks are located in the overhead panel in the lavatory. To use, pull the yellow strap towards you, remove the clip, and place the mask over your nose and mouth. In a water evacuation, you can use your seat cushion for flotation. Pull up to remove the cushion and take it to the closest usable exit. When exiting the aircraft, place your arms through the straps and hug the cushion to your chest. If you are traveling with a lap child, a flight attendant will distribute an infant life vest if necessary. These are located in a forward overhead bin identified with a placard. Please refer to the safety card for operating instructions. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your flight.